Welcome back to another English conversation practice video. Today, you'll learn useful kitchen English phrases through a simple daily conversation. So relax, listen carefully, and practice speaking with us. Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
Can you help me in the kitchen today?
Of course. What should I do first?
First, wash your hands properly.
Okay, I'm washing my hands now.
Good. Clean hands are very important while cooking.
You always say that.
Because hygiene matters.
That's true.
Now, take the vegetables out of the fridge.
Which vegetables do you need?
Take the tomatoes, onions, carrots, and capsicum.
All right.
Be careful with the glass bowl.
Don't worry, I'll hold it carefully.
Did you wash the vegetables?
Not yet.
Wash them before cutting.
Okay.
Use cold water
Why cold water?
because it keeps the vegetables fresh.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Cooking also teaches life skills.
And it's teaching me English too.
Exactly. Can you pass me the knife?
Here you go.
This is called a chopping board.
Chopping board.
Repeat it again.
Chopping board.
Very good.
What is this called?
That is a frying pan.
Frying pan.
Excellent.
And this?
That is a spatula.
Spatula.
Good try.
It's difficult to pronounce.
Don't worry. Practice makes perfect.
Okay, spatula.
Much better.
What about this machine?
That is a blender.
Blender.
And this is an oven.
Oven.
This is a refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
You're learning quickly.
Because this is fun.
English becomes easy when you connect it with daily life. Let's make sandwiches today.
Sounds delicious.
Take out the bread.
How many slices?
Take 8 slices.
Okay.
Now spread butter on the bread.
Like this?
Yes, evenly.
I think I added too much butter.
That's all right.
Should I toast the bread?
Yes, lightly toast it.
The toaster is very hot.
Be careful.
I almost burned my hand.
Cooking requires attention.
I understand now.
Now, chop the onions into small pieces.
These onions are making me cry.
That happens to everyone.
How do chefs cut onions so fast?
Years of practice.
I want to cook confidently too.
You will.
What should I do next?
Add the vegetables into the bowl.
Done.
Now add salt and black pepper.
How much salt?
Just a pinch.
What does a pinch mean?
A very small amount.
Oh, okay.
Now mix everything properly.
It smells fresh already.
Fresh ingredients always taste better. Can you give me that round thing?
Which round thing?
That cooking thing.
You mean the pan?
Yes, the pan. Try using the correct English word.
Sometimes I forget.
That's normal.
I feel embarrassed when I make mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
But people laugh sometimes.
Let them laugh.
Really?
Yes, every fluent speaker was once a beginner.
That makes me feel better.
Confidence is more important than perfection.
I'll remember that.
Now say this sentence in English.
Okay.
मैं गैस बंद कर रहा हूँ.
I am turning off the stove.
Perfect.
Really?
Yes,
I think I'm improving.
you definitely are. Now let's prepare lunch.
What are we cooking?
Vegetable fried rice.
That's my favorite.
First, boil the rice.
How much water should I add?
Double the amount of rice.
Okay.
Now heat the pan.
The oil is getting hot.
Add the garlic carefully.
It smells amazing.
Fresh garlic always smells strong.
Should I stir it?
Yes, stir continuously.
Why continuously?
Because garlic burns quickly.
Oh no, I think I burned some pieces.
That's okay.
I always make small mistakes.
Small mistakes help you learn faster.
That's true.
Now add the vegetables.
The pan is making loud sounds.
That means the vegetables are frying properly.
Cooking is actually exciting.
Yes, it is.
And learning English this way feels natural.
Exactly the point. Doorbell rings.
I'll open the door. Hello. Hello. Please come in. Something smells delicious.
We're making fried rice.
Really? It smells wonderful.
Thank you. Can you bring 2 plates?
Sure. Your English sounds very good.
I'm still learning.
You speak confidently.
Thank you so much. See, your practice is working.
I didn't even feel nervous.
Because you're speaking naturally now.
Earlier, I used to translate everything in my mind.
And now?
Now the sentences come automatically.
That's real progress. Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
Can you boil some water?
Sure.
Add ginger and cardamom.
I love the smell of cardamom tea.
Me too. How do you know so many recipes?
I learned from my mother.
Did she also teach you while cooking?
Yes.
That sounds beautiful.
The kitchen is not just for food.
Then what is it for?
It's a place where families talk, laugh, and learn together.
I never thought about it that way.
Some of the best memories are made in kitchens.
I think this will become one of my favorite memories too.
Mine too.
Can you set the table?
Sure.
Place the plates neatly.
Like this?
Yes.
Should I fold the napkins too?
Good idea.
Dinner looks amazing today.
Thank you.
The food smells mouth-watering.
That's a very good word.
I heard it in a cooking video.
Watching English content helps a lot.
I'm trying to learn new words every day.
That's the best habit.
Sometimes I still struggle with pronunciation.
That happens with everyone.
How can I improve faster?
Listen more and speak more.
Even if I make mistakes?
Especially when you make mistakes.
I understand.
Fluency comes from practice, not fear.
Can I tell you something?
Of course.
A few months ago, I was scared of speaking English.
I know.
I thought people would judge me.
Many learners feel that way.
But now I feel more confident.
I'm proud of you.
Practicing daily conversations helped me a lot.
Because language is meant to be used.
Not memorized.
Exactly.
I wish schools taught English like this.
Real conversations are always more effective.
I'm going to keep practicing every day.
And one day, speaking English will feel completely natural.
I think that day is getting closer.
It definitely is. Before we finish cooking, remember one thing.
What is it?
Never be afraid of speaking imperfect English.
Why?
Because confidence attracts people more than perfect grammar.
That's true.
A language grows through use.
Not through silence.
Exactly.
Thank you for teaching me today.
You taught yourself.
How?
Because you practiced without giving up.
I'll continue learning.
And I'll continue helping you.
Deal.
Thank you for watching this English conversation practice video. We hope you learned useful kitchen vocabulary and daily English phrases today. Remember, you do not need to speak fast English. You only need to speak regularly. Practice small conversations every day at home, with friends, or even with yourself. Because daily practice creates confidence, and confidence creates fluency. See you in the next English conversation video.